Start. Namaste, welcome to the class. Come on to the backbone. We will do Marakatasana. Both legs together, hands along with the body. First, fold both the legs. Bring the heels close to the hips. Take support of your hands if required. Pull them closer. Now bring both the hands to 180 degrees. Keep the hands in stretching position. Throughout the asana, make sure your hands are in 180 degrees and they are not relaxed, they are in stretching position. We will take at least 4 to 5 minutes. Now, inhaling, bring the knees towards right, head towards left, left ear on the floor. Now try to press your right knee with left knee, right heel with left heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction, as if you are extracting water from the wet towel. Exhaling, bring the legs to center. Check the position of your heels. Inhaling, bring the knees towards left, head towards right, right ear on the floor. Now try to press your left knee with right knee, left heel with right heel. Twist yourself in opposite direction. Exhaling, come to center. Now keep 1 feet distance between both the heels. Also heels and the hips. Adjust your feet. Make sure your hands are in 180 degrees in stretched position. Now inhaling, bring the legs towards right, head towards left. Now your left knee coming closer to the right heel. Both the knees on the floor. Try to twist yourself. If you cannot place the left knee on the floor, try to place it on the right heel. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Check the position of your heels. Again inhaling, bring the legs towards left, head towards right. Now your right knee is coming closer to the left heel and both the knees on the floor. If you cannot place knees on the floor, try to place your right knee on the left heel. Exhaling, come to center. Keeping hands in 180 degrees. Straighten the legs. Both legs together. Now inhaling, lift the right leg to 45 degrees. Make sure toe is in stretching position. Knees are straight. Now inhaling, bring the right leg towards your left palm. Your right feet should come closer to the left palm. Your right ear on the floor. See how much closer you can bring your feet towards your left hand. Exhaling, bring the right leg to 45 degrees again. Now start rotating your right leg to clockwise towards right, maximum towards right. Make a bigger circle. Keeping your toe is in stretching position, knee is straight. See the impact at the thighs and lower abdomen. Now do it in the anti-clockwise, the reverse direction. Slowly bring your right leg to normal. Join both the legs. Again check position of your hands. Now lift your left leg to 45 degrees. Keeping toes in stretching position, knees are straight. Inhaling. Bring the left feet towards your right palm. Left ear on the floor. Exhaling. Come to center. Keep your left leg to 45 degrees. Now start rotating. Left leg clockwise. Make a bigger circle towards left. And in the reverse direction. Relax the left leg, keeping both the hands in 180 degrees. Now inhaling, lift both the legs to 90 degrees. Once again inhale, bring both the legs towards right, head towards left. Twist yourself. Exhaling, come to center. Inhaling, take the legs towards left, head towards right. Exhaling, bring the legs to 90 degrees. Now keeping both the legs together, rotate both the legs clockwise at least 5 times. Make a bigger circle. And anti-clockwise 5 times. Relax. Make sure your hands are in 180 degrees. Just relax your legs. Now alternatively, lift the legs to 75 degrees and bring them down. Both legs should cross at 45 degrees. Bring both the legs towards floor. Relax for a few seconds. We are not done yet. Now lift both the legs to 45 degrees and do a scissoring towards right and left. Slowly bring the legs towards the floor. Relax for a few seconds. Once again, lift both the legs alternatively, lift them up. Bring them closer to the head, as close as possible, alternatively. Relax. Now bring both the hands down along with the body. Normalize the breath and relax in Shavasana. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Palms looking up. Normalize your breath. Now start scanning the relaxed body with your mental eye. Try to focus more on the places where you feel the pain, or if you have any ailments, just focus more on that.